Big shakeup in the US immigration scene. The Trump administration has scrapped the H 1B visa lottery, flipping the system on its head. No more random draws. Now it's all about paycheck and the skill set. Higher paid, higher skilled workers get priority, while thousands of Indian professionals are staring down years of delays, with interviews pushed as far as 2026 and 2027. This isn't just policy, it's a seismic shift in opportunity. For many, the American dream feels like it's slipping further away, locked behind wage brackets and bureaucratic bottlenecks. The question is, will this create a sharper, more competitive workforce, or will it shut the door on talent that built Silicon Valley in the first place? Stay tuned, because this story isn't just about visa, it's about the future of global innovation and who gets to shape it.